Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Today, we have quite an amazing site here to show you. This beautiful property encompasses 3.75 exterior acres of land, 5 bedrooms, and 7 full bathrooms. This beautiful estate's architecture design comes from Dutch Caribbean inspiration, along with 16-foot ceilings wrapped in bamboo and deal timber rooms that feel both monumental and deeply personal. As you begin to enter the home through the grand mahogany doors, the great rooms around and adjoining formal dining spaces start to spill out to a terrace that overlooks the Caribbean Ocean, allowing you to feel the beautiful and luscious sea breezes and to see the grand Caribbean Ocean in its best glory. This home comes already pre-furnished with the amazing sights as seen in the video, along with a fully stacked kitchen filled with antique Italian tiles for the floor and amazing world-class cooking utensils. This rare and exquisite estate comes with a genuine bit of masterpiece, luxuriousness, and a cultural antique that is genuinely irreplaceable. Now, without further ado, let's explore this beautiful estate. The price for this estate in USD is $8,750,000. In Jamaican dollars, $1,398,446,000. In East Caribbean dollars, it is $23,647,312. Canadian, $12,317,156 Canadian dollars. In euros, $7,553,962. And in Great British pounds, 6,633,769 British pounds. Thank you for watching until the end, and we hope to see you here again next time on PropertyCozy.com.